Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. Check out the video on my home screen to learn more. Sort of ways we did bounce from the 78% Fibonacci today, a little bit of a reaction to that Fib level, which is pretty normal for the 78%. Definitely no break of structure to the downside, so we are definitely still in an uptrend, at least until we get a break on the higher time frames. So going down to the shorter time frames, I think there's a good chance we could just be in a correction to this last move up. It could turn into a much larger correction. I mean, it definitely looks like 5 ways down. Like this could be an A, this could be a B, and then it could possibly go down and make a C, and then end up continuing the uptrend like that. But there's also a chance that it's just a pullback to this last wave. So if we do see some sort of a three-way pullback, something like this right here, 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, then I definitely am continuing to look for longs, at least until the daily time frame tells me otherwise, like always. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.